Okay, so let's say we're looking at our program memory and we've found that we've just got so many programs in here that we just don't know what to do with. We don't even know what they are or where they're from. And so what we want to do is delete out or erase some of the programs that are just in the memory, bogging us down or just causing us some kind of confusion. What we'll do is we can highlight up, down, page up, down, move back and forth to the programs that we want. Let's just say we want to go to this one here, 1003. We have no clue what it is. It just says revision A behind it. Whoever wrote this program didn't highlight or didn't create a name for their program, so we have no clue what it is. As long as it's not the active program, we can simply go to delete the program and hit Y for yes. It'll be removed. It's as simple as that. Remember though, once that program's gone, it is gone from memory for good.